You don't want to kiss me.
I kissed you.
Yes.
Hakeem, I wouldn't kiss you with my butt.
I'm here with Shar today. She is here for PRP of the scalp for hair restoration. How long has it been that you've been noticing thinning of the hair?
I mean, it's been for a while, but it really got bad after my COVID.
Yeah, so it's been for years, you'd say, before this, and then...
Yeah, but then, like, I had COVID a couple months ago, and that
Okay.
kicked my butt.
That really made a big difference for you.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we hear that all the time with COVID. So what we're hoping to get is kind of thicker, fuller hair, especially in this crown area here. We're going to do 4 sessions for her. We're starting the first one today. The next 3 are going to be in 1 month, in 2 months, and then again at the 6-month mark, so 6 months from now. So far we've been getting really, really good results with that therapy and that schedule, and we're hoping she gets the same results we've been getting with everyone else. This is her PRP. We drew her blood, spun it in the centrifuge, put it back in these syringes with tiny, tiny 30 gauge needles. These are the same needles we use in Botox. Here's a little sample, okay? It's not going to be bad, you'll see. How's that?
It's not horrible.
If you ever need a break, you just let me know. So if you're going to wear any hats or anything, really loose fitting, I just don't want any pressure on your scalp for the next 2 days.
Okay.
Right? So no showering or no shampooing your hair like we talked about.
Right.
No workouts for 2 days. After that, you can go back to regular activity. If you want to be aggressive about this, I recommend you starting 1 or 2 other medications as well.
Okay.
One of them is Rogaine or Minoxidil. And then the other one, there are a couple options for. We're gonna check your hormone panel. If your testosterone happens to be elevated, then we can give you like a testosterone blocker. But the other one is finasteride, which a lot of men use. Because once hair is gone, if it's dormant, you can bring it back.
Right.
But if the hair follicle's dead,
Yeah.
and there's no hair follicle there, then there's nothing to bring back.
Right.
Right? So you'll see, like, sometimes I see my guys, they have like shiny foreheads. I'm like, nothing's growing here, man. You have no hair follicles under there. But if it's starting to thin, or like, you know, just became dormant recently, we can kick it back into gear. Okay? You're wonderful. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Really appreciate that.